Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello everyone. In this video, you will follow a slow and simple story about two friends, Ken and Mina, who stay at a very nice hotel. As always, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy listening. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to the story and try to find the answer. So, here is today's question. What surprised Ken and Mina the most when they arrived at the hotel? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write your answer in English in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Mina, I think we are here.
This is the hotel? It looks so big.
Let me check my phone. Yes, this is the right address.
Look at this building. It is beautiful.
I know. I am surprised too.
And it is so clean. Everything looks new.
This is much nicer than I expected.
Me too. I thought the building would be smaller.
Well, we booked the cheapest room in a nice hotel.
Right. It was a special deal for students.
Yes, only $50 per night.
That was such a good price.
I found it online, a limited time offer.
You are good at finding deals, Ken.
Thanks, I was lucky.
Look, Ken, there are not many people here.
You are right, it is very quiet.
On our last trip, the hotel was so noisy.
Yes, I remember. There were many students like us.
But here, everyone looks calm.
They are walking slowly. No one is running.
This feels different from our usual trips.
I agree. Even the cheapest room here feels special.
I am excited to see our room.
Me too. Let us go inside.
Okay, I'm a little nervous.
Me too, but it will be great.
I hope so. Let us go.
Mina, look at this lobby.
It is so big and so quiet.
I will go to the front desk. Can you wait here?
Sure, I will look around.
Okay, I will be back soon. Hello, I have a reservation.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to our hotel.
Thank you.
May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Ken Tanaka.
Let me check. Tanaka?
Yes, that is correct.
Thank you. One moment, please.
Of course.
I found your reservation, Mr. Tanaka.
Oh, good.
You booked a room for 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that is right. 2 nights.
Perfect. And it is for 2 guests?
Yes, my friend and I.
Wonderful. Mr. Tanaka, I have some good news for you.
Good news?
Yes, we have a special campaign for students this month.
A campaign?
Yes, your room has been upgraded.
Upgraded? What does that mean?
It means you will stay in a bigger and better room.
Really? But we only paid for the basic room.
That is okay. The upgrade is free.
Free? Are you serious?
Yes, I am serious. It is our gift to you.
That is wonderful. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. We hope you enjoy your stay.
I am sure we will.
Here is your key card. Your room number is 1205.
1205. Thank you.
The elevators are on your right.
On the right. Got it.
Your room is on the 12th floor.
The 12th floor. Okay.
If you need anything, please call the front desk.
I will. Thank you very much.
Have a wonderful stay.
Thank you. You too. I mean, have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Mina, I am back.
How was it? Did everything go okay?
Yes, everything is fine, but Mina, I have to tell you something.
What is it? You look excited.
Let us go to the elevator first. I will tell you on the way.
Okay, now I am curious.
So, something happened at the front desk.
Something bad?
No, something good. Very good.
Tell me.
They upgraded our room.
Upgraded? What do you mean?
We are staying in a better room now. A bigger room.
Wait, are you joking?
No, I am not joking. It is true.
But why?
They have a special campaign for students this month.
A campaign for students?
Yes, and we got lucky.
Is this real? Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure. The staff told me.
And we do not have to pay more?
No, it is free.
Ken, this is incredible.
I know. I was so surprised.
First the special deal, now a free upgrade?
We are very lucky today.
This is like a dream.
Here's the elevator. Let us go up.
What floor are we on?
The 12th floor, room 1205.
The 12th floor? That is so high.
Yes, the view will be nice. Here we are. This is our floor.
The hallway is so quiet.
And the carpet is so soft.
I can barely hear our footsteps.
Look, 1205. This is it.
I am so nervous.
Are you ready?
Yes, open the door.
Okay, here we go.
Oh my.
Incredible.
Ken,
I cannot believe this.
this room is huge.
It is bigger than my apartment.
Look at this bed. It is so big.
And there are 2 beds.
They are so white, so clean.
I'm afraid to touch them.
Me too.
Look at the window.
Let me see. Oh,
The view is amazing.
I can see the whole city.
There are so many buildings.
And the sky is so blue today.
This is the best view I have ever seen.
I want to take a picture.
Me too. Let us take many pictures.
Ken, I still cannot believe this.
I know, this room is like a dream.
It is bigger than my house.
Same here.
We are so lucky.
Yes, we are very lucky today. Mina, come sit on this sofa.
Okay, let me try.
How is it?
Oh, it is so soft.
Right? I love this sofa.
I could sleep here.
But we have beds, big beds.
That is true.
I still feel a little nervous.
Me too. Everything is so nice here.
I am scared to break something.
Same. Let us be careful.
Let me check the bathroom.
Okay, tell me how it is.
Mina, come here.
What is it?
You have to see this bathroom.
Let me see. Oh,
It is so clean.
everything is white and shiny.
Look at this mirror. It is huge.
I can see my whole body.
And look at the towels.
They are so fluffy.
Let me touch one. So soft.
It is like a cloud.
I want to use all of them.
We cannot do that.
I know.
Do you smell that?
Smell what?
There is a nice smell in this room.
Oh, you are right. It smells good.
It is like flowers.
Maybe it is from this soap.
Let me smell it. Yes, it is so nice.
Everything is soft.
Everything is clean.
Everything is nice.
I love this hotel.
Me too. This is amazing.
Let us go back to the room and rest a little.
Good idea. I am a little tired.
Me too, but it is a happy tired.
Yes, a happy tired. Mina, are you awake?
Yes, I was just resting my eyes.
I heard this hotel has a nice lounge.
A lounge?
Yes. Do you want to go see it?
Sure. Let us go for a little while.
Just to look around.
Yes, I am curious.
This lounge is beautiful.
It is so dark, but in a good way.
The lights are soft.
It feels relaxing.
Very peaceful.
Look at all these people.
They all look like adults.
Real adults, not students like us.
I feel a little out of place.
Me too, but it is exciting.
Let us find a place to sit.
How about over there, by the window?
Perfect. Let us go.
This seat is comfortable.
The chairs are so nice.
I got my drink. It is just juice. Did you get yours?
Yes, I got a soft drink.
This is nice.
Why are we whispering?
I do not know. It's so quiet here.
Everyone is speaking softly.
I do not want to be loud.
Me neither.
Ken, look outside.
The city lights are beautiful at night.
It is like a movie.
I feel like a different person here.
What do you mean?
I do not know. I feel special.
I understand. Just being here is special.
Yes, exactly.
We are not doing anything big,
We're just sitting here.
but it feels wonderful.
This is what a nice hotel feels like.
I could stay here forever.
Ha, our money would run out.
That is true, but still.
I know what you mean.
This is a night I will never forget.
Me neither. This is very special.
Thank you for finding this hotel, Ken.
I did not know it would be this nice.
That makes it even better.
You are right. A happy surprise.
The best surprise.
Good morning, Mina.
Good morning. Oh, the sun is so bright.
I opened the curtains.
The light is so beautiful.
I know. I love morning light.
How did you sleep?
I slept so well. The bed was perfect.
Same here. I did not wake up once.
That never happens at home.
True. I always wake up at night.
The pillows were so comfortable.
And the sheets were so smooth.
I feel like a new person today.
Me too. I feel fresh and happy.
What time is checkout?
I think it is at 11.
We still have some time.
Good. I do not want to leave yet.
I know. I feel the same way.
I want to stay here longer.
Next time, let us stay more nights.
Yes, 3 nights or 4.
If we have enough money.
We should save money for this.
Good idea. Hotel savings.
Hotel savings. I like that.
Can you believe this trip?
No, it was like a dream.
We came here for a student deal.
And it turned into something amazing.
The biggest surprise of my life.
The room was wonderful.
The view was beautiful.
The bed was so comfortable.
The bathroom was like a spa.
And the lounge was so special.
Everything was perfect.
I am so happy we came here.
Me too. This was the best trip ever.
Ken, I have to say something.
What is it?
This is the best hotel I have ever stayed in.
I completely agree.
The best.
The absolute best. Wait,
What is it?
I want to take one last picture.
Of the room?
Yes, I want to remember everything.
That is a great idea.
Can you take a picture of me by the window?
Of course. Stand right there.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Smile.
Did you get it?
Yes, it looks beautiful.
Let me see. Oh, I love it.
Now take one of me.
Okay, stand by the bed.
Here?
Yes, now smile.
How is it?
Great, you look so happy.
I am happy, very happy.
This trip changed something in me.
What do you mean?
I want to work hard now.
Work hard?
Yes, so I can stay in nice places like this.
I understand. Me too.
When I get a good job, I will come back here.
That is a good goal.
It is my new dream.
Then let us both work hard.
Yes, for our future hotel trips.
I like that plan.
Okay, now I'm really ready.
Let me check the room one more time.
Good idea. We should not forget anything.
Bathroom is clear.
Closet is empty.
Bed area looks fine.
I think we have everything. Okay, let us go to the front desk.
For checkout?
Yes, we need to return the key card.
Right, I almost forgot.
Don't worry, I have the key card right here.
Good. Let's go then.
After you.
Thank you, Ken.
You're welcome.
This hallway feels different now.
Different how?
Yesterday, it felt exciting.
And today?
Today, it feels a little sad.
Because we're leaving.
Yes, I don't want to say goodbye.
But we'll come back.
You promise?
I already promised, remember?
Right, you did.
Here's the elevator.
Going down.
To the real world.
That sounds dramatic.
Well, it is true.
I guess it is.
But we have our memories.
And our pictures.
Exactly. No one can take those away.
You're right. Thank you, Ken.
For what?
For being a great travel partner.
You too, Mina. You made this trip fun.
Let's travel together again.
Definitely. Many more times.
I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. Now let's check out.
Okay, one last thing.
What?
This was the best hotel ever.
I completely agree.
The best.
The absolute best.
Goodbye, beautiful hotel.
Goodbye for now.
How was it? I hope this video helped you enjoy learning English. Now, let me ask today's question one more time. What surprised Ken and Mina the most when they arrived at the hotel? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in English in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share slow and easy English stories to help beginners feel confident and relaxed while learning. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Also, I have a membership on this channel. If you enjoy learning English with these videos, please consider joining the membership. Thank you so much for your support. All right, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.